Hi, hello guys, it's Imran Sola here. I'm here to review a FonkongScope 8-in-1 tool by Fonekong Team China and distributed by ATI Micro Soldering Tools for Sri Lanka. Thanks ATI Micro Soldering Tools for bringing us this awesome tool, Fonekong 8-in-1 scope. So let's go through. FonkongScope 8-in-1 scope for mobile phones and laptop repairing. So this is an awesome tool for mobile phones and laptops. We have two analog consoles, analog displays, and a digital display over here. So actually this is 8-in-1 scope. We have 8 machines together on this. We have a Shortkiller. Over here we have a Shortkiller, and we have a power supply, and we have a iPower output, and we have backlight and speaker checking test, and we have charging section over here. This is a special tool because if you do not know how to operate this tool, there is a video USB output over here, so you can plug it the USB and plug directly to the PC or laptop, and there are some videos how to operate this tool inbuilt inside this, so you can check it out on PC or laptops by plugging over here. So this is the Fonekong 8-in-1 for mobile phones and laptops by ATI Micro Soldering for Sri Lanka. Thanks ATI Micro Soldering Tools for bringing us this awesome tool, and thank Fonekong Team China for giving a best solutions for this field. So this actually help for laptops and mobile phones. Okay guys, that's it up today. So let's hope to see you on next video. So I'm signing out. It's Imran Sola. Bye guys.